Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So I got behind me, as you can see, I got 4 individual boxes here. So I decided to get some new wheels and tires for the Mustang. A lot like everybody else that I have seen here lately on all these Mustang groups, some of us individuals that have PP1 Mustangs, or at least a Mustang with the PP1 wheels, there's been a lot of I want to say posts out there asking, hey, what's a good wheel tire combination? And a lot of people, they're like, well, what kind of wheels are you looking for? Well, I got PP1s and I just want to get rid of them. So I'm one of those people too. I know there's some out there like, what, man, PP1 wheels are the best. I'm like, they're alright. Alright, got the box sliced open. So I'm gonna let you all know before. Oof, this is gonna be fun to get out. So the wheels and tire combination. The tires, I went with Arturos, and I know there's probably gonna be people out there like, Arturos, man, those are cheap tires. Well, I'm not trying to break the bank on these, alright? Because I've read plenty of reviews, and a lot of the reviews are like, man, these tires are great. I mean, they aren't Michelin tires like I have on the Mustang already, but today's video, not only are we going to be having these new ones installed, but I'm also going to do a like a comparison test. So there's a stretch of road that I discovered that is nice and flat, and I believe won't have any issues with the federales. We're going to go down to Mexico. The girlfriend's coming with us. So yeah, so we're gonna test out how well traction is with my Michelin PS4s compared to these Arturo tires. All right, so let's do the unveil. Let me show you what wheels I got. So I told you I got the Arturo tires, and the wheels of choice. So the wheel of choice, I decided to go with the PP2 style wheels. I've always loved these wheels. I've seen them on many different Mustangs out there. The different color, the gloss black, the gunmetal gray. I think they even have them in like the bronze color. I'm not sure. Or maybe there's like a different style wheels or a different company, maybe not PP2s, but very similar. But yeah, so I got these off American Muscle. I'll add the link in the description for these. Are the 19 by 10 wheels, and the tires are 285 35 ZR19s. So I decided, because right now the Mustang, the PP1 wheels, they're a staggered setup. It's 19 by 9 up front and 19 by 9.5 in the rear. So with this, I decided that I'm gonna square it up. So I got 19 by 10s all around. That way, you know, I can rotate tires. I mean, you tell me, is there an advantage to a staggered setup as opposed to a squared setup when it comes to driving on like road course, or even doing some spirited driving on the back roads? But yeah, drop a comment, tell me, is there an advantage or a disadvantage to having a staggered setup over a squared setup? Alright, so we made it here at the location where we're going to be doing some test hits. There's, like I said, we're over the bridge to Tijuana area, so we got the car set up. So what we're gonna do is stretch a road over here We're gonna basically kind of do like a 0 to 60 type run with it, and we're gonna test. We're gonna test to see how well my tires on the car, the Michelin PS4s. I mean, there's a little bit of tread left. I'm gonna see if I can get a picture of it. I mean, as you can see, there's still plenty of life to these tires. So, and they're nice and warmed up, I think, because we had to drive quite a ways over here. So, yeah, gonna wait till some of this traffic clears up to do the quick test hit. Alright, so we're back in the car, about to go make a test hit. I got the car, has the acceleration timer, if you can see it. We're gonna do like an 1/8 mile test hit to see how well the traction is with the PS4 tires. Alright. Automatic start. Here we go. Not bad. A little bit of wheel spin, but eventually it did grab. So that quick little 1/8 mile because of wheel spin. Alright, so that one run, 1/8 mile, was a 9.1 at 92 miles an hour. So we're gonna try it again and see if we can beat that, or maybe it'll be worse. Who knows? All right, here we go. Seconds flat, so 0.1 seconds faster. So had the same amount of wheel spin on takeoff. It spun, and when it shifted into second gear, it spun again. So about the same results, I would say. All right, so we're gonna head on back and swap over these new wheels and tires. Alright, so I'm over here at this place called McAndrews Motors. It's a little shop slash small car dealership. It's recommended by a shop where my girlfriend takes her car to get serviced. They don't have the ability to do tire repairs, which is weird. So he recommended this place next door. They got the wheels, tires unloaded right there. They're already working on getting them out. So I'm gonna drop the car off here, let them do their thing, and then we'll come back. But what we gotta do is we're gonna take the wheels and tires off the car. They're gonna have to break the seal to get the tire sensor out of here, and then they're gonna transfer them over. They're gonna transfer them over to the new wheels, and they're gonna mount these onto the car. So, like I said, we're about to just drop the car off, let them do the thing. They'll call us whenever we're ready, and we'll be debuting the new wheels and tires on the car. Slightly biased. All right, so we finally got the car home, got the new wheels on. I am so in love with these. Like it, the way that this looks now compared to the wheels that were on it once before. I am a huge fan. So going from these to,
or from those to
these,
those.
or yeah, from these to those.
Yeah.
Oh, Aaron's here too.
How's it going? We're taking shifts with this because it doesn't take a whole lot to sweat your balls off when it's 100 outside. So that combined with a couple Coors Lights gets the job done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And luckily for him, Aaron here
brought over the proper lug nuts for you.
He brought the proper lug nuts because the ones that I ordered didn't fit, and so little backstory. So the shop that I took it to, they weren't able to mount the wheels on the car, but they were able to get everything transferred over. So I was like, well, I ordered some lug nuts. Surely they'll fit.
You'd think.
And
from the same site, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the site, they're like, yeah, these lug nuts will fit. But yeah, I'm a little disappointed, American Muscle. Sorry, guys.
Justin over there at American Muscle, do better.
You failed us, sir.
You failed us. Come on now.
These didn't fit.
No.
So they're going back, but like I said, Aaron was enough to grace us with some special lug nuts. It takes a special key, so
only $500 and he has them.
Yeah,
it's a good deal.
Guess so.
Yeah,
had to do some special favors.
Yeah, some HJs.
HJ.
VJ, it's whatever that is, but you know, after that, it's all his. Yeah.
But yeah. So what y'all think? Like, I definitely love them. If you like them, drop that like. Tell what you think. Hey, welcome back. So it's day 2 of the. So last night or yesterday, I got the new wheels and tires put on. Recap: I went from PP1 style wheels with Michelin PS4 tires to PP2 style wheels with new Arturo AZ850. And those are supposed to be their performance tire. So right now we're back at the bridge over in Mexico, and we're gonna make a test hit over here down this street. It's really flat and smooth, plus I wanted to worry about the federales catching us because there's nowhere for them to hide. But what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do a few test hits, 1/8 mile. The car has a acceleration timer, and so we're going to use that. So yesterday we did an 1/8 mile. We did 2 hits, and they're both 9 seconds. The first hit was like 9.2, and after we got the tires warmed up, I want to say it was like 9 seconds flat. So we're going to do 2 more hits again, and to see if these new tires are any better or they're worse. So we're gonna jump in and go have some fun, and hopefully federales don't catch us. Hit the timer, okay, to start, and punch it. So we got a lot more wheel spin. So that first hit, it said we ran a 9.3, so not much different than the very first run that we did yesterday with the PS4s. But now that we got the tires a little bit warmed up, flip it back around and go do it again and see which one is better of the 3. Alright, here we go. Test hit number 2. That was the second hit, 8.5.
So my suggestion is to warm up the tires first, spin a little, and see how well it grips.
I guess we'll do it a 3rd time. So we're gonna do a little bit of a tire warm up here. Alright. So we had a little bit more wheel spin, even with warming up the tires, but we dropped 0.3 of a second by warming up the tires. So I guess there is a little bit of advantage to that.
And don't forget, turn off your traction control.
All right, so we just finished our test hits, and well, I'm not gonna say I was surprised, because there's more tread to these tires, but I definitely am surprised because yesterday we only did 2 hits and the time was 9.2 and I'd want to say 9 seconds flat. After doing 3 hits here, the time was less. It was 8.5 and then 8.2. I think this last run was 8.1. I'd have to go back and look at it, but either way. All right, so I'm back in the car and here's the times. So you'll see on the right side, it's 9.1. That was the best time that I got yesterday. Now all these were 1/8 mile runs, and the time on the left is 8.2. That was my best run with these new Atturo tires. I'm very impressed with both how the car looks, and I'm really impressed with the actual tires themselves. The ride qualities, I think, just as great compared to the PS4s that I had on it. You know, you're gonna pay a lot less because these tires I paid, I want to say out the door with tax included with the wheels, but the tires themselves was like $660 or so. But yeah, I definitely like these tires. The Atturos, I believe, are a good set of tires for what you pay for. They're not super expensive like most of your other name brand tires, but I'm gonna say that I think these were a good purchase. But anyways, that's gonna do it for me. I hope y'all enjoyed today's content. If you would do me a huge favor, please like and subscribe, and also drop a comment. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.